Chapter 9, The Clay Tablets from Babylon. My dear Professor, the 5 clay tablets from Babylon came with your letter. They came on the same boat. They were not broken. Thank you for packing them well. I was very interested. I used many hours to read the letters on the clay. I did not answer at once. I wanted to finish my work first. My translations were with this letter. You will be surprised by what these tablets say. Many people think old times are only love stories and big adventures. But these tablets speak about a man named Dabasir. He had many debts. He wanted to pay them. When I read it, I thought, people are the same, even after a very long time. These old words also woke me up. I am a teacher, and I should know many things. But this man from old Babylon shows a simple plan to pay back debts and also save money. My wife and I want to try this plan in our own life. We hope it can help us. I wish you good luck in your work. If I can help again, I will be glad. Yours sincerely, Alfred H. Shrewsbury, Department of Archaeology. Tablet 1. The moon was full. I, Dabasir, wrote on clay. I came back from slavery in Syria. I wanted to pay back my true debts. I wanted to be a good man in Babylon. My friend Mathan, a man who lends gold, gave me advice. He told me a clear plan. He said this plan can help an honest man. The plan had 3 parts. First, I will save 1 part of 10 from all I earn. This money is mine. I will not spend it. Mathan said, a man who keeps some money is kind to his family. He is also loyal to his king. A man with only a few coins does not care enough. A man with no money becomes angry inside. So I must always keep some money. Second, I will take care of my wife. My good wife came back to me from her father's house. I must give her a good home. Mathan said, when a man takes care of a good wife, he feels respect for himself. So I will use 7 parts of 10 from what I earn for our life. This will pay for food, clothes, and our home. It will also pay for small joy. But I must be careful. I must not spend more than this. I must not buy things I cannot pay for with this money. Tablet 2/3, I will pay back my debts. Every time the moon was full, I will take 2 parts of 10 from all I earned. I will share it fairly between the people I owe. Then, after time, I will pay all. Now I wrote the names and the amounts. Faru, the cloth man, 2 silver, 6 copper. Shurjar, the sofa man, 1 silver. Ahmar, my friend, 3 silver, 1 copper. Zankar, my friend, 4 silver, 7 copper. Askamir, my friend, 1 silver, 3 copper. Haransar, the jewel man, 6 silver, 2 copper. Direbeaker, my father's friend, 4 silver, 1 copper. Alkahad, the house man, 14 silver. Mathan, the gold man, 9 silver. Bayerjik, the farm man, 1 silver, 7 copper. The rest was broken. I could not read it. Tablet 3. I owed much, 119 silver and 141 copper. Before, I saw no way to pay. So I did a foolish thing. I let my wife go back to her father. I left Babylon. I looked for easy money. But I found trouble. I became a slave. Now Mathan showed me a better way. I can pay little by little from my work. Now I see, it was foolish to run away. I went to the men I owed. I told them the truth. I had no land and no gold. I only had my hands and my work. I told them my plan, I will pay 2 parts of 10 from what I earn, every full moon. This is what I can do. I cannot do more. If they wait, I will pay all in time. Ahmar was angry and spoke bad words. I felt shame. Bayerjik asked me to pay him first, because he needed help. Alkahad was angry and said he will make trouble for me. But most men said yes to my plan. So I was strong inside. It was easier to pay back honest debts than to hide from them. Even if some men were angry, I will be fair to all men. Tablet 4. The moon was full again. I worked hard. My wife helped me. This moon I earned 19 silver. I earned it by buying good camels for Nebator. I followed the plan. I kept 1 part of 10 for myself. We used 7 parts of 10 for our life. I paid 2 parts of 10 to the men I owed. I did not see Ahmar, so I gave it to his wife. Bayarjik was very happy. Only Alkahad was still angry. He said, "Pay faster." I said, "If I can eat well and not worry, I can work better and pay faster." The other men thanked me. After that full moon, my debt was a little smaller. I also had almost 2 silver that were mine. My heart felt lighter. The next full moon came. This moon was hard. I earned only 11 silver. Still, we followed the plan. We bought no new clothes. We ate only simple food. I kept 1 part of 10. We lived on 7 parts of 10, even when it was hard. I paid 2 parts of 10. I was surprised. Ahmar said, "Good." I think he saw I was honest. Bayarjik also said, "Good." Alkahad became angry, but he still took the money. The other men were quiet and accepted it. Then another full moon came, and I was very happy. I earned 42 silver this moon. We bought shoes and needed clothes. We ate good food. I paid more than 8 silver to the men I owed. Even Alkahad did not complain. This plan was very good. It helped us leave our debts and also helped us save money. After 3 full moons, I had 7 silver and some copper that were mine. I walked straight. I felt respect for myself. My wife kept our home well. We were happy. This plan was very strong. It could change a man. Tablet 5. The moon was full again. Many moons passed. Today I wrote because today was a great day. Today I paid back my last debt. Today my wife and I celebrated with food and joy. When I paid the last money, Ahmar asked me to forgive him. He said he wanted to be my friend. Old Alkahad also spoke in a new way. He said, "Before, you were like soft clay. Any hand could change you. Now you are like hard metal. If you need money, come to me." Many people now respected me. My wife looked at me with bright eyes. This gave me strength. The plan did this. The plan helped me pay back all debts. The plan helped me keep money too. I told this plan to all men who want a better life. If it helped a man who was a slave, it can help many men. I will keep this plan, because I believe it will also make me rich.